Hello viewers, today I will teach you about the independent clause. The word independent means the thing or person which is not depend on any others. It means it is self-dependent. So an independent clause means the same thing that clause which is not depend on others and it can stand alone as a sentence. It contains a subject and a verb and is a complete idea. It means that clause is a complete idea and it can easily stand alone as a sentence. For example, I like spaghetti. In this is an independent clause. Why it is independent clause? Because I like spaghetti, it's a complete sentence and giving you the complete idea. It does not depend any other clause or sentence. Second example, he reads many books. He reads many books. This sentence has a subject in a black he and verb reads in a green plus object many books. Like the first sentence, I like spaghetti. I is a subject, like is a verb, and spaghetti is an object. So independent clause means simply the clause which is independent and not depend on others and have a complete idea as alone and giving you the complete sense. The next is dependent clause. Dependent clause means the vice versa or opposite of the independent clause. It means that clause is dependent on the other sentence or the other clause. A dependent clause it's not a complete sentence. It must be attached to an independent clause to become complete. It means this clause or independent clause it's not complete and it will not give you the complete idea or it does not complete the full sentence without the independent clause. So this is also known as the subordinate clause. For example, if you can work on Sundays dash dash dash, it means this is a dependent clause and it cannot be complete without the independent clause. If you can work on Sundays is not giving you the complete sentence or idea without a independent clause. Second independent clause is until the sun sets. This second independent clause is not giving you the complete sentence or complete idea without the independent clause. For example, if we want to complete the sentence until the sun sets, you will complete your work. It means until the sunset, you will complete your work or you will have your work done. So these are the two dependent clause which are not complete and that's why here the dash or dot dots shows you about the incomplete sense of these sentences. You can see also below dependent clause when the cake is brown. When the cake is brown, it's not giving you the complete sentence or complete idea without an independent clause. And the second is remove it from the oven. This is an independent clause. Remove it from the oven, it's a complete sentence giving you the complete idea. But when the cake is brown, it's a dependent clause and it is not giving you the complete idea. And how we combine these sentences by putting the comma between them. So when the cake is brown, comma, remove it from the oven. So this is very simple video about the dependent and independent clause. I hope you will understand this.